everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm going to discuss how we achieved a 780% return on investment with one change. You heard that right, 780. You wanna know what's better than a 780% ROI? Making an even greater return on impact for our residents, because that is what we're here for. Yes, I know that the ROI listed in the report here is most likely inflated due to the estimated savings, but what's not inflated is the impact that we will make on our residents. It's just huge, and we are so happy that we can do this. So what we did, are you ready? Are you ready for it? Is that we upgraded all of the lighting at one of our properties, Harper's Lodge, to efficient LED lighting. What this will do is it'll actually save our residents money each month since they are paying for electricity. And you wanna know how? You wanna know how our property is also gonna save money? It's gonna be in the common area as well. So it's not just in each apartment home, it's all over the property. And this was a super easy way to boost our NOI without increasing rents or adding any other fees. Again, we're trying to create more impacts for the residents, right? So another great part about this all, if we want to get down to it, is that we only had to pay $428 for nearly $10,000 in new lighting, thanks to the Green Initiative rebates available via Public Service Oklahoma. Yes, I said that right. I said that number correctly. The total project cost was $9,158, and the rebates that we are receiving total $8,730. It blows my mind. And what else blows my mind is that all this took was asking one simple question to our property management company, like, are there green initiatives in Oklahoma? And she's like, yeah, and here they are. You know, it's like just asking was the easiest way. Sometimes we're so focused on like our business plan and what we can do that we forget that simple questions like that go such a long ways. So at Adventurous Real Estate Investors, we are always looking for ways to make an impact on our residents and our community. We are proud of our Harper's Lodge team, and we are completely turning this property around day after day and performing better and better each month. And we're excited that we can like implement these things in order to do that month after month, right? Like I said before, it's just one simple question that definitely enhances the whole entire property. And we would love to know if you found like green initiatives and what those green initiatives were and what other ways or what even other questions we can be asking in order to bring these great rebates onto each of our properties. So if you found value in this video, please smash the like button below and subscribe to our channel here. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.